All right. We have some square bodies, but mostly this is all Trans Ams. He loved them. There's over 50, we believe, Trans Ams. I'll walk this way. There is also some Camaros in here. Now, some of you have been watching. This whole building right here is full of parts. There's Trans Ams everywhere. We're going to be doing inventory today. There's also Camaros in here and square body. We'll go back in here. And there's everything from restored to projects. We'll take you down the back way here. They're everywhere. I got to get taking pictures. But this is going to be the first weekend in August. And this is live on site with online bidding. But they're everywhere. We have a Super Duty, there's a 70, there's 73, there's also a 69 Camaro. And we'll be taking pictures here today. The inventory should be done soon. There's a 69 Camaro. There's a spring green one, believe it or not, a green metallic. I'll go over here. Lots of parts. When I was here last, you couldn't even walk in any of the buildings. This is a one-day auction. Okay, let me go over here. Lots of parts in here. A lot of square body parts. A lot of rims, motors, transmissions. Lots of stuff. Lots of Trans Am stuff. One whole building full of parts. We'll wind up in here. Now, everybody always looks for those Super Duties, those ones nobody knows about. Well, there's one here. This is a 70 Trans Am Ram Air 3. This is a real nice car in the corner. I hope I don't lose you in here. That's a real nice Indy Pace car Trans Am. More rims. Here's a Super Duty. Very nice car, 455 of course. Just sitting here. It's been sitting here for a long time. Got a little mildew action going on in there. Let's see when it was last. It's a 73 and an 03. And this one was Brewster Green, it says, in his notes. He wrote notes before he died on this stuff and what he did. He bought it in Madison, Wisconsin 455 4-speed car. 73 Super Duty. More parts. Another Trans Am. 73. Anyway, this is going to be a live on-site auction with online bidding. Go to vanderbrinkauctions.com, and there's some Monte Carlos, more Trans Ams, and we'll see you down by Waverly, Iowa. I believe, I have to check if it's August 4th or 5th, and this is going to be wild. If you're looking to have an auction, we want to work with you, 605-201-7005. Or go make sure to go to vanderbrinkauctions.com. And again, we'll go back to that Super Duty quick. There she is. Great car. Like we said, his note said that it was Brewster green, but another barn find, Super Duty. And so a lot of fun. So we'll see you at this auction down by Waverly, Iowa, vanderbrinkauctions.com.